Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So as you can see here, we got the new headlights that just came out, made by HC Motions. I got them installed and I'm super happy with the results. Love the startup animation that you see on screen right now. My only issue with this is that the turn signals are hyper blinking, so I have to install a resistor after the fact, which HC Motion is actually going to send me a pair. So once I have a chance to install it, I won't have to worry about the hyper blinking issue. As you can see, I got the hazards on. The hyper blinking only occurs when I'm doing a left or right hand turn signal. But yeah, you guys, if you guys want to follow my build, I post frequently on my Instagram page, my car enthusiast page, Sabio.isf. And I work in the real estate business, so I do have my real estate account as well. I post a lot of creative video content there as well. And I do live and work in the Tampa Bay area, so feel free to reach out to me on my social media, and I'd love to connect with you guys. Let me know in the comments below where you guys are watching from and if you guys are considering getting the HC Motion headlights after watching this video. I paid about $700 for these, got them shipped over from China. They're very comparable to the VLANs. Obviously the check mark is in a different location. The light output is very similar. Overall, I'm very happy with the upgraded look. And so far, after having them for a couple of days, I've had overall pretty good feedback. I've even done an Instagram poll, and 87% of people that voted are in favor of the headlights. Like I said, overall, pretty solid headlights, and I would highly recommend getting them. If anyone is on the fence, let me know in the comments if you guys are sold on these yet, if you're still considering it. My only advice is to ask the manufacturer to send you an extra set of resistors so that if you have the hyper blinking issue, you will not have to have them send it to you and wait a couple weeks before it arrives. All right, that's all I got for today, guys. And if you like what you saw, don't forget to like and subscribe for more. Follow me on my Instagram. All the information is in the description of this video below. And hope you guys have a nice one.